Welcome to the first tutorial in using 2D Design. After you've loaded 2D Design, you'll actually notice that there's a 2D Design shortcut icon on your desktop. If you're using a surface, what you'll actually find for the first time when you're opening it, I'm just resetting some settings at the moment, is this is going to happen. So if you double click on it, you'll find that the toolbars are very small. So this is what we call the drawing toolbar, this is the edit toolbar, and this is our vertical edit toolbar up the top. Very, very small. We can't actually even see them, hardly can. So what we're going to do is I'm going to shut that down. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now the reason, if you're using a surface, is the resolution of the screen is so high, and so that messes with the settings of 2D Design. So I'm going to right click on the icon, right click with your mouse, and then I'm going to select on Properties. I need to go to Compatibility and then down to Scaling, Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Make sure that's selected and then go to Systems. After you've done that, Apply, OK, and then double click on the software again. And you'll now see that all the toolbars are perfect once again to be drawing with. So this is our drawing area. That's where we do all our drawings from. This is our drawing toolbar, and if I select on any of these tools, I have flyout menus where I have a whole variety of different types of lines that I can draw, a whole variety of different circles, a whole variety of different shapes, and they have a whole bunch of modification tools down here, offset tools, dimension tools, lettering tools, and I can also do a lot of different types of deletes. I can also do a lot of different types of user views, so I can zoom in, zoom out, and a whole variety of things there. I'll go through those with you as we go. Over here it's the edit toolbar. So on here, this is my aids, my edit aids to help me draw. So I've got a grid lock, a step lock, and a whole variety of other things that I'm going to explain to you about. This is my edit toolbar on the top, which we'll need occasionally. Here is our drawing coordinates toolbar, where we have layers as well and colors and things that we can fill out. I'll explain that a bit later. And down below we have a ruler type toolbar which can actually tell us distances. So that's the basic setup, and move on to the next tutorial.